Part 2 of my series on endometriosis, the menstrual cycle. We need to understand this because it can help explain what endometriosis is, how it occurs, and what the treatment options are. The menstrual cycle is a term to describe a series of events that occur in the female reproductive organ inside our body. Let's break it down. This is your uterus, whose main role is simply to prepare itself for a possible pregnancy. For pregnant women, this becomes the womb or the house of the baby. Second, inside the uterus is the endometrial cavity that is lined by endometrial cells called the endometrium, which respond to the hormones produced by our ovaries, specifically estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen helps thicken the lining of the uterus like a bed as it prepares itself for a pregnancy. And second, it allows the growth of the egg follicles in the ovaries. Progesterone, the second hormone, is released when ovulation takes place, that is, the release of an egg from a mature follicle from any of the ovaries through the fallopian tubes. If that egg, while moving into the fallopian tube, is not fertilized by sperms, what will happen is that that egg will move down into the uterine cavity, disintegrate, and together with the thickened endometrial lining, it will be broken down and shed off by progesterone, which acts like a knife. This shed of lining is called menstrual debris, will turn into a menstrual flow that will leave the body through the uterine cavity, cervix, and into the vaginal canal. Remember that all women in their reproductive and childbearing years, during each monthly menstrual cycle, the endometrium and the uterus prepares itself for a pregnancy. But if no pregnancy occurs, the sequence of events should be the endometrial lining thickens, and then because no fertilization takes place, it will be broken down, and that lining will be shed from the body and the vagina as the menstrual flow. This is your menstrual cycle.